Hello, bachcho. Let's see the question. The question is saying that a correct pair of the characteristics of the molecular probe is. Okay, हमें molecular probe के characteristics के बारे में बताना है. The options given here is very long molecule. The probe is a very long molecule. It is double-stranded. It is single-stranded DNA or RNA, and the D is saying that it is complementary to the part of desired gene. Fine. तो चलिए सबसे पहले बात करते हैं what is the key concept that we have to use in this question. We can say that the key concept that we will be using in this question will be the molecular probe. तो molecular probe exactly होता क्या है पहले ये डिस्कस कर लेते हैं. Whenever we talk about a molecular probe, then we can say that it is a small single stranded DNA or the RNA molecule. Okay, so it is a small single stranded nucleic acid, or we can say it could be either a DNA or the RNA molecule. Okay, and this molecular probe, it is showing the complementarity sequence. Okay, so they have the ability to recognize the desired gene, or we can say target gene. They can recognize the target DNA or the target gene. Why? Because this molecular probe, they have complementarity. Fine, so we can say they have the complementarity sequence to that of target DNA. तो उनके पास complementary sequence होती है जिसकी वजह से they could go and bind to this target DNA and help us to detect the specific molecular sequence in the DNA. Okay, so how we get to know कि हमें specific हमारा sequence मिल गया. So what we are doing, we are basically labeling this molecular probe with the help of radioactive substance. तो इनको हम radioactively label कर देते हैं ताकि the portion where this molecular probe will bind to the target gene, at that point we get some signaling, or either we can get the radioactivity. Okay, so the major purpose of using this molecular probe, इसका जो major purpose होता है, that is to detect the specific gene sequence. Okay, to detect the specific gene sequence. Okay, now हमें बोला गया है what are the different properties or characteristics of it. चलिए options देख लेते हैं. If we look at the option 1 here, it is saying that it is a very long molecule, but हमने क्या देखा, it is a small molecule, तो ये option हमारा गलत हो गया. अगर बात करें option B की, it is saying that it is double stranded. No, it is a single stranded molecule. Again, this is the incorrect one. अगर बात करें option C की, it is saying that it is a single stranded DNA or the RNA molecule. Correct, it is a single stranded DNA or the RNA molecule. And if you look at the D here, it is saying that it is complementarity to the part of desired gene. Again correct, because it is showing the complementarity sequence to the target DNA, or we can say the desired gene. Again, this is the correct one. So from this, what we can say that the C1 and the D1, they are the correct pair of characteristics for the molecular probe. So we can say that the correct answer here will be option C. So option C, we can say both the statements C and D are showing the correct characteristics of the molecular probe. So the correct answer here will be option C. I hope you understood the question well. Best of luck.